Hey guys, welcome to the Dreamers Land. So I'm like seriously overwhelmed by the views and the comments you're like posting on my channel. It was like so overwhelming. I cannot tell you how like I feel. Okay, so actually I was like going for two winners, but I'm just so happy by all those comments, like giving me some tips and tricks that could be followed and wishing me luck. So actually I'm going for like five winners for that video. So today the video is going to be about some of the tips and tricks that could be followed to grow your hair longer and healthier. So tip number one, your hair growth, the thickness of your hair or the long your hair is, everything is genetics. It cannot be changed, so accept it and maintain whatever hair you're born with, like irrespective of whether it's like curly hair or long or straight hair. Just maintain your hair, don't spoil it further. And yeah, that's about it. So tip number two is like stress and hair growth cannot go hand in hand. So just worrying about your hair loss or your hair fall is not going to really help with your hair growing long. Rather, like you're just even spoiling it with like stressing about it. Tip number three is like washing your hair regularly will make the scalp feeling good and it could grow well. Like I wash my hair every alternate day. That really works for me. Like you can do whatever that works for you. Like you can wash your hair on alternate days, or like on Sunday, Wednesday and Friday maybe, like whichever suits you. Just do that, as long as your hair doesn't feel oily or greasy or itchy and it's not dirty. That's fine. And tip number four is like oiling your hair. Chumping is important, guys. Do not wash your hair without oiling it. That is going to make your hair even more drier and make your hair fall out. So you have to like oil your hair at least 1 hour before washing it. Or if you're like okay with like going to bed with an oil in your hair, oiling it overnight will also help. If you don't have dandruff, you can very well do that. But if you have dandruff, don't oil your hair before the night, because it's going to make your hair even more oily and greasy, and that really don't help. Trust me, I have followed it. Doesn't work that way. So even oiling your hair at least for 1 hour or 2 hours will help. So you can do that. Tip number five, if you want your hair to grow longer, please don't use the heating products or any hair dryers, because like you're just damaging your hair. Like after your hair wash, you can just leave your hair to air dry rather than using any products. Like if you're going out or if you're going for any parties or something, you can definitely go for the products. You can air dry it, you can do some tools, but not regularly. You know what I mean? Like you need not style your hair like every day or every week if you want to grow your hair. So let's get into the products that I use. So as it was talking about the hair oils, these are the oils that I mainly use for my hair. So first it will be this castor oil. Can you see this? As you can see, I've like gone to the last end of it, so you can know like how well I use my oils. And yeah, next would be my almond oil. I think it cost around 200 or 100. I'm not I don't know, I don't remember, sorry. And then it's my favorite parachute hair oil, and I remember I'm just using it since my childhood days, and you can very well go for this hair oil. So what I do, I also have olive oil, but it's over, so I don't have the package right now. So the next is my VK hair oil. This one really makes your hair grow. So if you want to grow your hair and if you get it in the retail shop, please go and buy it. This really worked for me. Like even if you're like losing hair on any parts, like if you have dandruff, you start losing hair on some areas, you can very well apply this oil. It really works. It makes your hair grow in those areas. Definitely it will take some time. You're not going to have your hair growth like overnight, but this really helps. So I try to mix all these oils together, like your castor oil, almond oil and your coconut oil definitely will go together. And I also mix some VK hair oil into that, and I just oil my hair, at least wait for just 1 hour, and then I wash my hair with this WeCare Shekai paste. As you can see, it is like sulfate and paraben free. This lathers well, so it is like almost you're using a shampoo. So this really works for me. This doesn't dry out your hair, it doesn't make your hair like it doesn't make your scalp itchy or something. So you can very well go for this WeCare Shekai. And once I come out, I dry my hair and I also apply this WeCare Vitalizer. It's a WeCare hair growth vitalizer. It restricts hair fall, promotes hair growth and conditions your hair. It's like oil free hair care. It's just in this spray bottle, so you have just like spray like this and that's it. So if like I'm going to my office and I'm on the run, I get up late, I have oiled my hair overnight, like I go for this it's Himalaya Herbals Gentle Daily Care Protein Shampoo and Conditioner. This is the shampoo. This is the shampoo and this is the conditioner. I'm just into Himalaya products for the past 6 months now, and I can very well tell you that this has really worked for me. I mostly use these WeCare products, but now yes, like if I'm on the run, I really get my hand into this WeCare Gentle Care shampoo and conditioner, and this conditioner like really makes your hair very soft, and I'm good to go. Like if I have some parties to go, or I'm attending some functions or something, I definitely style my hair. So I use my straighteners and I use my curlers to do that. And before using anything, I go for this Tresemme Thermal Creations Heat Protection up to 450 Fahrenheit. I swear by it. I just spray it on my hair and I'm good to go with any straighteners or the rollers. And once you're like done for the day, you have to make sure that you're removing all the products from your hair. If you're going to style it using any styling products on your hair, make sure you hair wash it the very day, or if at all the next day, because like you're using like various products on your hair, so you have to take all that out for your hair to breathe and to grow the next day. You cannot be with those styling products, you cannot leave your hair to be on those styling products. That's just going to really make your hair really greasy, and it is definitely not going to help with your hair growth. Like if you're having like split ends, you have to go ahead and cut it down, like irrespective of what shampoos or conditioners or whatever you're going to use. If you're having like a split end, it does not grow. Number 6, you have to trim your hair every 3 months. Like even if you're having any split ends or dry ends, if you're going to cut it, it will make your hair grow longer and even faster. So yes, these are my tips and tricks to have a good healthy hair, irrespective of whether it's like short, long, curly or straight. Please maintain the hair that you're born with and look beautiful. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and just mention in the comments below like what are the products that you liked, and just let me know what you feel about this video. Thank you. Bye bye.